At Manhattan Tree Company, we bring over 15 years of experience to every job, keeping New York City's trees healthy, safe, and beautiful. From expert tree removal to precision trimming and pruning, our skilled team handles every project with safety care and professionalism. With over 10,000 projects completed and more than 9,000 happy clients, we've built our reputation on reliability, quality, and results you can trust. Whether you're dealing with an overgrown tree, a safety concern, or just want to keep your landscape looking its best, we're here to help. Call 929-306-6780 today for expert tree care in Manhattan. Manhattan Tree Company, precision, safety excellence,